Florence.
Hi, Tilly. Hi, Tom.
What are you doing?
This is our food shop. We want to send £40 to the Rainforest charity.
We have £30. We just need £10 more.
OK, I'm thirsty. Can I have some lemonade, please?
Of course.
Here you are. Thank you. How much is it?
It's 50p, please.
Here you are, Tom.
Thanks.
Oh, can I have a biscuit, please? Here you are. 5p, please.
Oh well, that's it. It's nearly time for dinner.
Hello. I'm on my way to the supermarket, but I think you've got everything I need here. Can I have some cheese, please? And can I have some bread, please?
Here you are.
Can I have some jam? Some lemonade? Some sweets? A pineapple? Some crisps? Some biscuits? Some strawberries?
And a pie.
And a pie, yes, please.
Here you are.
How much is it?
That's £10, please.
Thank you.
Now I have all the money for the Save the Rainforest charity.
Hooray!